William, for joining us on a very important day for your company. Now, I remember covering your first attempt at an IPO back in 2015. You ultimately signed a deal to sell the company. That fell through over regulatory concerns. So, needless to say, it has been a long road to today, only to find a downsized deal at the end. So, I'm curious, what does this next chapter look like for Vizio, and how would you characterize the process thus far of going public?
Yeah, first of all, I'm very excited to be here today. I started the company back in 2002 with a second mortgage on my house. We came certainly a long way. In the last 18, 19 years, we built a great company with great people, and we sold over 80 million devices. And 5 years ago, when we tried to go public, the company Lyco tried to buy us. And since then, we've been executing on our vision to innovate on TV, bring streaming directly onto the TV, also bring additional value to our TV, which we're so well known for. So I'm so excited to be here today.
Can you give us a sense of what the future looks like for Vizio? And I want to ask you that question in the prism of who you believe your competitors are. On one hand, you do make the bulk of your money from selling actual TVs, selling the hardware. So is it, Samsung, Sony, or do you see your competitors as being, makers of OTT devices like Roku and Apple and Amazon, Google, companies like that?
Yeah, well, I see all of us as competitors. Again, as an entrepreneur, I'm pretty paranoid in competing, and that's what we're here set out to do. And we're competing with Sony, Samsung on great picture quality. At the same time, we're competing with people like Roku, Amazon Fire on great user interface, so you can stream directly onto your TV. So we see both as a competitor.
In your prospectus, you say that COVID generated a, quote, net positive impact on consumer demand for your products as people who were essentially stuck at home, they upgraded their TVs. But during the course of the year, you faced inventory shortages. Supply chain issues are kind of at the forefront right now with regard to chip shortages and the like. Can you give us a sense of what the demand looks like right now and your ability to be able to meet that, especially as we look at this ever-changing world?
Yes, COVID-19 made people stay at home, and home entertainment became more critical than ever. I'm so glad that as a TV company, we can entertain people at home. And the TV demand is still very strong. And last year, the demand went off the chart. And currently, TV still is a great product. Again, people are staying at home. We need to entertain them. And the supply challenge is being tough, but for the last 18 years, we had a lot of tough situations. We're a great company with a great team of people, and we'll work very closely with all of our supply chain partners to make sure we have enough inventory here in the U.S. for the American consumer to entertain themselves at home.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.